guys, Kayla Quest Squishies here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm doing the Kiss, Marry, or Kill squishy tag, kind of. So basically what this is you pick 3 random squishies. You have to pick one to kill, marry, and kiss. Before we get on this video, please subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're already subscribed, make sure to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post. And you'll automatically be a member of the Kawaii Club. Always like my videos and give them great big thumbs ups. My music and my Snapchat will be down in the description box below. So please go follow me on Musical.ly and add me on Snapchat. And today's daily question is, what is your favorite movie? Please comment that down below. And also comment #Kawaii Club so maybe you'll get a shout out in my next video. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so I have most of my jumbo squishies right here. It's going to be like kind of jumbo style. I don't know, but I'm going to pick 3 random ones. So I picked my baguette squishy. Let's get another one. I picked this milk carton. Next one. I picked this random, my popcorn squishy. So this is going to be really hard a decision to make. But I think I'm going to marry this one because it's so soft and so rising. I think I'm going to kiss this one. And sadly, I have to kill the baguette. I'm not actually going to kill it, you guys. Okay, next one. I'll get this one. Okay, so I got my Hello Kitty donut. Over. Okay. Got my huge strawberry 2-layered cake. And I got my unicorn. Okay, so it's kind of a tie between these ones because this one's still rising. But I think I'm going to marry this one, kiss this one, and kill this one. Sorry if I'm like coughing. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's do like maybe 3 more rounds. Alright. First one is my bunny. It's super airy and very fun to squish. I was kind of confused what this was. My chocolate. Sorry about the glare on the bag. And then my jumbo panda bun. Okay, so I think I'm going to marry the bunny, kiss the chocolate, and kill the panda bun, just because it's super defective and dirty. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put this back. I got my rainbow galaxy, galaxy unicorn. My jumbo rainbow strawberry. Last one, I got my dolphin cake. Okay, so right away, I'm going to marry the dolphin cake. I'm going to kiss the unicorn. I'm going to kill the rainbow strawberry. This was like really hard, but sadly, I have to kill you. Alright, there we go. Alright, so anyway, let's get on to the next one. We got this donut. Got a puppy, which is kind of the same as the bunny. Okay, and then we have the penguin. Okay, so I think I'm going to marry the penguin, kiss the dog, and kill the donuts. Okay, let's go into our last one. I get these all in one color. First one I picked is this tooth that was shown in my last video, if you haven't seen it. This watermelon that was also in my last video. And what even is this? Oh, my fake Rilakkuma bread, but actually it's called cocoa dip. They basically got it from the Rilakkuma bread. But I love it because my friend Penny gave it to me. So, anyway. So, first, I think I'm going to marry this tooth because it's so soft and like amazing. Then I'm going to kiss the watermelon. It's very surprising. And I'm going to, sadly, sorry Penny, but kill this, even though it's like the best squishy I've ever owned. So, but sorry Penny. It's hard. It's hard, okay? But yeah. Penny's my friend, by the way, and she gave me this. If you haven't seen my DIY paper lantern video, please go check that out and you'll know what I'm talking about. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, that was it. These are the squishies that were left over. These two donuts. A cloud. It's not really jumbo, but I just wanted to include it. And this kit. Okay, guys, well, that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry about my hair. My hair's like a tremendous bad hair day. But, yeah, I love you guys so much. So, bye-bye.